Hi friends, this is Rajesh, MSc Mathematics. Welcome to RECTV Education. Today I am discussing Trigonometry Basics second part. Now the concept is values of trigonometric ratios at specified angles. First one. First I will give you the table. After that I will explain how those came. 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and last one 90 degrees. These are the specified angles. We have to write trigonometric ratio values at these specified angles. First one sin theta, and next cos, next tan theta, cosec theta and sec theta, and next cot theta. This is a very important table. Sin, first you have to remember the sin values. After that for every trigonometric ratio values we can get very easily. First one sin theta, sin 0 is equal to 0 and sin 30 1 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2 and sin 60 root 3 by 2 and sin 91. So these values we can get from right angle triangles. I will explain you later this one. So next one cos theta means sin and cos. So just here you have to write exactly this one value here. Sin 90 degrees is equal to cos 0, that is equal to 1. You have to write reverse exactly. So root 3 by 2 and 1 by root 2, next one 1 by 2, next this is 0. Next tan theta, so tan is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. 0 by 1, so that is equal to 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2 will go and this value becomes 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 1 by root 2 gets cancelled and that value becomes 1. And next root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, 2 will go, root 3 by 1, that is root 3, and here 1 by 0. 1 by 0, that is a indeterminate term, so here that value is infinity. Now cosecant theta is nothing but the reciprocal of sin theta. We know that already. So cosecant 0 is equal to 1 by sin 0. 1 by 0 not defined term, that is infinity. And here 1 by 2 means reciprocal you have to write. So for this reciprocal root 2 and this one 2 by root 3 and next one 1. Again you can write tan theta, that is the reciprocal secant theta. Secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. 1 by 1 1, 2 by root 3, next root 2 2 and cos. 1 by 0 means that is infinity. The last one, this is cot theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan. Tan 0 0, then cot 0 1 by 0, that is infinity, and 1 by root 3 reciprocal root 3, 1 by 1 1, so this is 1 by root 3 and so this value is equal to 0. Cos divided by sin theta, so that is called cot theta. 0 by 1, so that is equal to 0. This is the table. Now I will explain you the how you will get this all these values. I will explain now. Now I am finding the values of trigonometric ratios at 60 degrees and 30 degrees. Values at 60 degrees and 30 degrees. To find these values, first we have to construct an equilateral triangle. Let us consider this is an equilateral triangle A, B, C. In equilateral triangle, the medians and the perpendicular bisectors and the angular bisectors all are same. So first you have to draw an altitude, so that is AD. Now AD, that altitude here that cuts BC in two equal parts. So here these two values are equal. BD is equal to DC. And we know that in equilateral triangle the angle is equal to 60 degrees. So here also the angle is equal to 60 degrees. So this is the equilateral triangle. This altitude becomes the median here and this altitude becomes the angular bisector here. Now this total angle is equal to 60 degrees. Each angle is equal to exactly equal angle means so exactly 30 degrees and 30 degrees, half of 60 degrees each value. Now from triangle ADC, so this is a right angle triangle, this angle is equal to 60 degrees and this side is equal to 30 degrees. First let the side of this equilateral triangle be 2A, and BC is equal to 2A, AC is equal to 2A, and AB is equal to 2A. I said already BD is equal to DC. So this total value is equal to 2A, each value is equal to exactly half of this one, that is equal to A and A. Let triangle ABC be an equilateral triangle. Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 60 degrees. BC is equal, AB is equal to BC is equal to CA is equal to 2A. Now AD is perpendicular to BC and BD is equal to DC, that is equal to half of BC, that is equal to half of 2A. 2 will go, this value is equal to A. Now BD is equal to DA, that is equal to A, and angle BAD is equal to angle DAC is equal to 30 degrees. Angle BAD is equal to angle CAD is equal to 30 degrees. Now from right angle triangle, from triangle ADC, from right here right angle triangle, from right angle triangle ABC, hypotenuse whole square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square by using Pythagoras theorem. So here the hypotenuse is AC. The square of hypotenuse AC square is equal to side 1 AD square, ADC have to take this one. Now yes, repeat now.
From right angle triangle.
Yeah, from right angle triangle ADC. So AC, that is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse whole square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. So here from triangle ADC, AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. AD square plus DC square. We have to find this value, AD value have to find now. So what is AC? 2A. 2A whole square is equal to AD square plus DC value, we know that A square. This A square will come this side and becomes negative, implies 2A whole square means 4A square minus A square is equal to AD square, implies 4A square minus A square, 3A square is equal to AD square, implies AD is equal to square root of 3A square. A square will come outside and that becomes A, and the remaining value is root 3. Now the value of AD is equal to root 3A. Is a value. At 60 degrees and at 30 degrees. Just I am doing here. Now if you consider this angle, angle B, the angle is equal to 60 degrees. So we know that this is already 30 degrees and this is also 30, this is 30 degrees. From triangle ADC, 60 degrees here. From triangle ADC, angle C is equal to 60 degrees. At 60 degrees, sin 60 degrees is equal to, what is this value? Sin 60 degrees is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So this is the hypotenuse AC, that is the hypotenuse, this is the opposite side. Sin 60 degrees is equal to opposite side AD divided by hypotenuse AC. What is AD value here? Root 3A divided by AC value 2A. 2 gets cancelled and this is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. And now cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 degrees is equal to cos theta formula, adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side here? DC. DC divided by hypotenuse AC. So DC divided by AC, that is equal, what is DC value? A. divided by AC value 2A. AA cancel here. So this is equal to 1 by 2. Now tan 60 degrees. Tan 60 degrees is equal to tan theta formula, opposite side divided by adjacent side. So here tan 60 is equal to opposite side AD divided by DC. So AD divided by DC. AD is equal to root 3A divided by DC value A. AA cancel. So this is equal to root 3. Now already we know that cosecant 60 degrees is equal to 1 by sin 60 degrees. That is equal to 1 by root 3 by 2. So AC by AC divided by AD we have to write. That is equal to 2A divided by root 3A. AA will go and this is 2 by root 3. And next secant 60 degrees is equal to reciprocal of cos 60 degrees. So here for this reciprocal we have to write AC divided by DC. AC divided by DC, that is equal to 2A divided by A. AA cancel. So that is equal to 2. And the last value is cot 60. Cot 60, that is the reciprocal of tan 60. That is DC divided by AD. That is equal to A by root 3A. AA will go and this value becomes 1 by root 3. So in the table already I gave you all these values. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. And next cosecant 60 is equal to 2 by root 3. Secant 60 degrees is equal to 2. Cot 60 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3. So these are the values. Now from same triangle we have to take all the trigonometric ratios from this value. For here CAD. This is 30 degrees. Now from this triangle, from this angle, so here this DC becomes the opposite side of angle 30 and AC is the hypotenuse and here AD becomes the adjacent side. Now from triangle ADC, sin A is equal to, so that is sin 30 degrees is equal to opposite side. What is opposite side? DC divided by hypotenuse AC. DC is equal to A divided by hypotenuse 2A. AA cancel here. That is equal to 1 by 2. Next value cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees is equal to cos formula adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side? Root 3A. So that is AD. AD divided by AC. What is AD length? Root 3A. Root 3A divided by AC length 2A. AA will go, that is equal to root 3 by 2. And next one, sin and cos values we know that. Similarly we can find all the values. Tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. What is opposite side for this 30 degrees? DC divided by AD. DC divided by AD. DC value A divided by AD value root 3A. AA will go, this is equal to 1 by root 3. Next one, cosecant 30 degrees. Now cosecant 30 degrees is the reciprocal of sin 30 degrees. So cosecant 30 is equal to AC divided by DC. AC length is equal to 2A and DC length is A. So here this value is equal to 2. And next, secant 30 degrees is equal to 1 by cos 30 degrees. That is AC divided by AD. That is equal to 2A divided by root 3A. AA will go, that is equal to 2 by root 3. And next one, cot. Cot 30 degrees is equal to, so that is the reciprocal of tan 30 degrees. So that is AD divided by DC. That is equal to root 3A by A. AA will go, this is equal to root 3. Now we got all the values of trigonometric ratios at 60 degrees and 30 degrees. Now the values of trigonometric ratios at 45 degrees. At 45 degrees. To find these values, we have to draw a isosceles right angle triangle. So that means here right angle is there, isosceles. Just you consider this side is equal to this side. So here A, B, C. ABC is a right angle triangle and AB is equal to BC. We know that these two angles must be equal in a isosceles triangle. So this is equal to 90 degrees, this is equal to 45 degrees and this also 45 degrees. Let ABC be a right angled isosceles triangle, and in this AB is equal to BC and angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 45 degrees. Let us consider AB is equal to small a units in length and BC is equal to, that is also same in length, that is small a. Just use here. Now from triangle ABC, by using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. We have to find AC value here, that is equal to AB value small a whole square plus BC value small a whole square, that is equal to a square plus a square, that is nothing but 2a square, implies AC square is equal to 2a square, implies AC is equal to square root of 2a square, that is equal to root 2 into a. So therefore AC is equal to root 2a. Now we got the value of that hypotenuse, so that is equal to root 2a. Now this AC value is equal to root 2a. Now you have to apply all the trigonometric ratios for this angle A, that is 45 degrees. Now from this triangle 45 degrees, sine A, that is equal to sine 45 degrees, that is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side BC divided by hypotenuse AC. BC is equal to A divided by root 2a. A will go, that is equal to 1 by root 2 value. Now at A only, cos 45 degrees is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is AB divided by AC. AB value small a and AC value root 2a. AA will go, so that is equal to 1 by root 2. Now tan 45 degrees is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. For this tan 45 degrees, so here for this 45 degrees, opposite side is BC and adjacent side is BA. Tan 45 degrees is equal to opposite side BC divided by BA, that is equal to A by A, so will go, that is equal to 1. Now so cosecant 45 degrees, so that is the reciprocal of sine 45 degrees, so that is nothing but 1 divided by 1 by root 2, that is equal to root 2. And next secant 45 degrees, that is the reciprocal of cos 45 degrees, that is equal to 1 by root 2, that is equal to root 2. And last one cot 45 degrees, that is the reciprocal of tan 45 degrees, that is equal to 1. So already I gave all these values in that table. So these are the values of trigonometric ratios at 45 degrees. The values of trigonometric ratios at 0 degrees. So in this case we have to assume that 0 degrees. Actually in triangles 0 degrees is not there. Just have to assume that this is a right angle triangle. A, just you take here A, B, C. So this is equal to C. Some angle is there here, that is theta. If theta is equal to 0 degrees, now there is no angular displacement between these two sides AB and AC. If this angle is equal to 0 degrees, now AB side and AC side both will coincide like this. There is no difference at that time if theta is equal to 0 degrees. That means if theta is equal to 0 degrees, AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. If both AC and AB, if they coincide, BC is not there at that time. So that means if BC is not there means, and the length of BC is equal to 0. You have to take these values. So just you consider sine theta. Sine theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. What is opposite side? BC divided by hypotenuse AC. if theta is equal to 0, sine 0 is equal to BC value. If theta is equal to 0, BC is equal to 0. 0 divided by AC, that is equal to 0. Therefore, sine 0 degrees is equal to 0. And next, cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side? AB. AB is the adjacent side and hypotenuse is AC. So, if theta is equal to, here just you see, if theta is equal to 0. So, here if theta is equal to 0, cos 0. Cos 0 means if cos 0, theta is equal to 0 degrees, AB is equal to AC. That means cos 0 degrees is equal to AB divided by AC. Both the values are same and that value becomes 1. Next one, if you know sin theta and cos theta, you can get all the other trigonometric ratios at 0 degrees. Now tan theta, tan 0 degrees is equal to sin 0 degrees divided by cos 0 degrees. You can write, what is sin 0? 0 by 1, that is equal to 0. And next, cosecant 0 degrees is equal to 1 by sin 0 degrees. What is sin 0? 0. That is equal to 1 by 0, that is equal to infinity. And next one, secant 0 degrees. Secant 0 is nothing but reciprocal of cos 0 degrees. What is cos 0? Cos 0 is equal to 1. So 1 by 1, that is equal to 1. And now cot 0 degrees, that is the reciprocal of tan 0 degrees. What is tan 0 degrees? 1 by 0. That is equal to infinity. So these are the values of trigonometric ratios at theta is equal to 0 degrees. These are the assumptions. Clear. The values of trigonometric ratios at 90 degrees. So just you have to consider a right angle triangle A, B, C. This is 90 degrees, already we know that. Here our assumption is angle A is also 90 degrees. Then we know that angle B is 90 and angle A is 90, it is not possible. But if you assume like that, so now this side, that becomes a parallel line. Now these two lines becomes parallel lines and the lengths of these two sides are infinitely, they will not intersect at any point. That means, so here this is infinity length and this is also infinity length, and when compared to these lengths, the distance between these two sides is equal to 0. So here this is 0. So that means, so here when these two are parallel lines, now this side is equal to this side. If this angle is equal to 90 degrees, then, so just you see here, this is 90, this is also 90. These two lines are parallel means always the lengths are equal. So if this is increasing, this also will go. And here AB, when compared to these two, the distance between these two sides becomes 0. So just you consider these two sides lengths of BC and AC like this. From this triangle, we can write sin 90 degrees, sin A is equal to sin 90 degrees. Sin 90 degrees is equal to, from this A. So here opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So opposite side BC divided by AC. I said already, so these two lengths are equal if those two are going. So that means both gets cancelled and that value is equal to 1. Now cos 90 degrees is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent side AB divided by AC. Already just now I said the distance between the two sides becomes 0 if this is equal to 90 degrees. If you convert like that. So here AB is equal to 0. 0 divided by anything, that equal to 0. Now you got sine value and cos value. You can find all other trigonometric ratios at 90 degrees by using these two. So tan 90 degrees is equal to sine 90 degrees divided by cos 90 degrees. That is equal to 1 by 0. 1 by 0, that is an indeterminate term, so that is not defined, infinity. Not defined, that is. Next, cosec 90 degrees is equal to 1 by sine 90 degrees. So sine 90 degrees is equal to 1. 1 by 1 is equal to 1. And next, secant 90 degrees is equal to 1 by cos 90 degrees. That is equal to 1 by 0. We know that 1 by 0 is the indeterminate term and that is infinite. Next, cot theta, cot 90 degrees, that is equal to 1 by tan 90 degrees. So that is equal to cos 90 degrees divided by sin 90 degrees. Cos 90 degrees is equal to 0. 0 divided by sin 91. 0 by anything is equal to 0. Now these are the trigonometric ratios values at 90 degrees. Complementary functions. Just we have to consider a right angle triangle. This is A, B, C. Now this angle is equal to 90 degrees. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees, and this, let angle A is equal to theta. Then what is the angle at C? So here in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. So already angle B is equal to 90 and angle A is equal to theta. Theta plus 90 degrees plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Implies angle C is equal to 180 degrees. 90 will go that side and becomes minus 90 degrees, and this is minus theta. 180 minus 90 degrees is equal to, what is this value? 90 degrees. 90 degrees minus theta. Now the value of angle C is 90 degrees minus theta. So for this theta, this ABC becomes the opposite side of angle theta, and the side which is exactly opposite to 90 degrees, that is called hypotenuse. And so this side is opposite side of angle theta, and now this becomes adjacent side of angle theta. So for this 90 degrees minus theta, this side becomes opposite side of angle C, and this is the hypotenuse is common, and this side becomes the adjacent side of angle C. Now if you consider from this one 90 degrees from A, sin theta is equal to opposite side BC divided by AC. BC divided by AC, and cos theta is equal to adjacent side AB divided by AC. Tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side BC divided by AB. Next, cosecant theta is equal to 1 by this one, that means AC divided by BC. Secant theta is equal to reciprocal for this cos theta, so that is AC divided by AB. And next one, cot theta is equal to, for this reciprocal, that is AB divided by BC. Now we got all the trigonometric ratios at theta. Just you observe that from this side, from 90 degrees minus theta, we have to find all the other trigonometric ratios. So that means sin 90 minus, I will write here, sin 90 minus theta is equal to, sin 90 minus theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. What is opposite side? AB. AB divided by AC. And next, cos 90 minus theta is equal to, for this side we are writing cos theta, that is adjacent side and hypotenuse. Here adjacent side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. Next one, tan 90 minus theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side AB divided by BC. Next, cosec 90 minus theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, that is AC divided by AB. And next, secant 90 minus theta is equal to reciprocal of cos 90 minus theta, that is AC divided by BC. Next, cot 90 minus theta is equal to reciprocal of tan 90 minus theta, that is equal to BC divided by BA. So from the two places and angle A and from the angle C, I took all these trigonometric ratios. Now we have to observe all these ratios. So here BC by AC, here BC by AC. These two values are, so here this is equal to sin theta and here this is equal to cos 90 minus theta. That means these two are equal. So these LHS are equal. So that means sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, and cos 90 minus theta is equal to, you can write this as sin theta. So these two are equal, and you observe that AB by AC, AB by AC. So here the sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. These two are equal. That means sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So here you observe that BC by AB. So here BC by AB. That means this tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. So cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. So here tan 90 minus theta, just see, cosecant theta AC by BC is equal to AC by BC. So here these two values are equal. That means cosecant theta is equal to secant 90 minus theta. Secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. And next one, AC by AB, where it is AC by AB. These two are equal. That means cosecant 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. Cosecant 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. And the last one, tan. Here tan 90 minus theta, BA by BC is equal to BA by BC. So tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. That means, so here cos 90 minus theta is sin theta and sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Cosecant 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta, secant 90 minus theta is cosecant theta. From this we can say that cos theta and sin theta, these two are complementary functions. Next one, tan theta and cot theta, these two are complementary functions. And next one, cosecant theta and secant theta, these are three pairs of complementary functions.